Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, uh, we discussed about the operators in PHP. In this video, we are going to learn about conditional statements if else in PHP. So this is my playlist in which I am uploading all my PHP videos from basic to advanced. So you can follow this playlist to learn the PHP completely. So let us start the video. So inside htdocs, I have created a learn PHP folder where we will keep all our files related to this PHP course. Let me open this folder with VS Code. You can use any editor you want. Let me create a new file for this lecture. This is our seventh lecture, so I will name it as L-7 if else .php. Let us start a PHP script here. Question mark, then a greater than symbol. So let me tell what is if else and why we use it. uh, like if else is a conditional statement. While we write a code for anything, there are many times we have to take decisions based on some conditions, and based on these decisions actions are performed. So mainly if we want to take some decisions based on some condition, then we use conditional statements like if else and switch case. These statements are used. In this video we will discuss about the if else if completely. Let us take a simple example. uh, Whether to if a number is even, then we will print number is even based on this condition. Then for that we will be using if. Let us take a variable dollar number 20, and if you want to check, syntax is we write if, then parenthesis, then inside parenthesis we give condition like if number is even when it is divisible by 2, means after dividing by 2 its remainder should be 0. So dollar number, to check the remainder we will be using modular operator, and if remainder comes out 0, it means number is even. So we will simply print echo number is even. So here we are giving condition that if it is divisible by 2 and remainder is 0, it means number is even. So let us check the output of the program. This is the basic if statement. There is only one condition. How it will execute? First it will come to the condition like number is 20, then it will modularly divide 20 by 2. Modular division means it will return remainder, and if since 20 is completely divisible by 2, so remainder will be 0. And if remainder is 0, then this condition returns true, means this condition is satisfied. Then it will print even. It should print number is even. Let us check the output. Like our file name is L7 if else. So it is printing number is even. Let me change the number and then check. Suppose I give it 21. Now since if I changed it to 21 and saved the file, so now when remember to save the file each time you make any changes, otherwise changes will not be reflected in the browser. So I have saved the file by changing it 21. Now if you modularly divide 21 by 2, then remainder will be 1, not 0. So this condition will not be satisfied and it should not print anything on the screen. Let us check the output. You can see nothing is printed. But suppose you want since there can be only two cases, whether number is even or else it is odd. Suppose you want to print number is odd. In case it is odd, then you can give else condition as well. And in else you do not have to give any condition. Simply if is not true, then else will be executed. Like if number is not even, then it means it is odd. Then we will simply print here number is odd, and let us check the output. We have given an odd number 21. Save the file. Number is odd, you can see. So this is a basic if else statement which is used to print whether number is even or not. Let us take one more real life example where there are, since there are only two conditions, there may be cases when there are multiple conditions, 4, 5, or any number of conditions can be there. Let us take example of student grading system. This is even odd. Give a br tag here so that everything after that comes in next line. Grading system. What will we do here? We will simply take percentage, suppose 96, and based on the percentage we will print student grade. Like if there can be many cases, like if percentage is greater than 95, first case, then we will print excellent, your grade is A plus. And the second case is, now since there can be many cases, like if percentage is not greater than 95 but it is greater than 90, means it is between 90 to 95, then in that case grade is A. And if percentage is between 80 to 90, then we will print grade as B. So there are multiple conditions. We will use else if here. In PHP, we directly write as if there is no space and mention the condition inside parentheses, same as if dollar percentage is greater than 90, then I will simply copy the statement. If it is greater than 95, then it is grade A plus. Else if it is greater than 90, then it grade is A. And put else if. Since there are multiple conditions, we are using else if percentage greater than 80, copy the statement. We just have to change the grade. Grade is, for example, B plus, or whatever you want, like you can give B as well. We are simply checking here how conditional work. So another, let us add another grade. If percentage is greater than 70 means it is between 70 and 80. Then we will give grade as C, and if his percentage greater than 60, we will give grade as D. And if his percentage is less than 60, suppose in less than 60 would be considered as fail. It depends on mainly institution to institution. Some cases less than 40 is considered as fail, but for our example we are considering less than 60 as fail. Then we'll simply echo you are failed. So let me explain it first how it will work. When this program comes to this line, first percentage has a value, then based it will come to first if condition. It will check whether the percentage is greater than 95. If it is greater than 95, then it will execute the this statement. Suppose if percentage is less than 95, then it will come to second condition. It will check if percentage is 90, greater than 90, then it will print grade A. For example, we allow equal as well. Let us allow equal as well. If then if this condition is false, it will come to this condition. If percentage is greater than equal to 70, then it will print grade as C. If this condition is also false, then it will check for this condition. If percentage is greater than 60 or equal to 60, then it will print grade as D. Else if percentage is less than 60, then it will print you are failed. So let us check by executing it. First I am giving percentage as 96. So let us check whether it is working correctly or not. You can see in case of 96 it is saying excellent, your grade is A plus. Let us change the percentage. Let us try make it 59. Since it is below 59, so this case will fail, this case will fail, this case will also fail, this will also fail, this will also fail. So it should print you are failed, and it is printing you are failed. And suppose student marks are 60, then for 60 this condition will be true, all the above condition will be false. So it will print, it should print the grade as D because we are passing 60. So excellent, your grade is D. You can remove this excellent in case of grade D because no one is excellent if he is only obtaining 60%. Remove excellent from D, and you can keep there very good. I have just copy pasted, they are good. Now if I put marks as 80, very good. It for good there is for 80% there is good, your grade is B. So like this we can put conditions, and based on condition we can take some decisions and perform some actions whatever we want. So this is how if else if ladder works. So you can try writing this code at your own and you will have clear understanding of it. So thank you for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, please do it as